children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today in the last class already I explained about the 5-digit and 6-digit number. Today in your maths class I am going to explain about the chapter 1 numbers exercise 1.1. Today we have to complete the exercise 1.1 and that exercise 1.1 first section here we have fill in the blanks. First one it is fill in the blanks. Here one number is given, we have to complete these blanks. What is the number here? First you have to write the number in the place value chart. You have to adjust this number in the place value chart. Now can you tell me ones place which digit is there? In ones place here it is 6 and in the tens place 2 and in hundreds place 4 and in thousands place 7 and here it is in 10,000s place it is 2. So what is the total number here? How many thousands are there total? 27,000. And how many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds. How many tens are there? 2 tens. And how many ones? 6 ones. Now you can see here how many 10,000s are there? In 10,000s place which digit is there here? 2. So you have to write here 2. Next 7,000s already it is given here. Next dash hundreds. How many hundreds? Here 4 hundreds. And the next one 2 tens and 6 ones. This is the first one. Total how many thousands? 2 10,000, 7,000s, 4 hundreds, 2 tens and 6 ones. Next second blank it is. Here numbers are there. You have to adjust in the place value chart. In ones place which digit again? 4. In the tens place 3. In hundreds place it is 2. In thousands place 6. Next in 10,000s place it is 8 and the last one it is 7. Here 7 it is in lakhs place, 8 is in 10,000s place, 6 is in thousands place, 2 it is in hundreds place, 3 it is in tens place and 4 it is in ones place. Now you have to complete this blank. How many lakhs? 7 lakhs. And how many 10,000s? Here already it is there. How many 10,000s? 8 10,000s, 6,000s and how many hundreds? 2 hundreds. Next 3 tens and 4 ones. 7 lakhs, 8 10,000, 6,000s, 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 4 ones. If you want to complete these blanks, first you have to adjust the numbers in the place value chart. Then you have to fill the blanks with the place values. Next section, it is section 2. Write the numerals. What is the section 2? Write the numerals for each of these. Write the numerals for each of these. Already here number name was given. You have to write the number. How many 10,000s are there? 4 10,000s. How many thousands? 2,000s. 42,000. How many hundreds? 800. 4 tens and 3 ones. Total number is 42,843. Next one. How many lakhs? 2 lakhs. And total how many thousands? 3 10,000s, 4 thousands. Total 34,000. And how many hundreds? 8 hundreds. 4 tens. 44. 4 ones. First one it is 42,843 and the next one is 2,34,844. These are the numerals. Already here number name was given. We written it is the numbers. Numerals we are written here 42,843 and 2,34,844. Okay. Now next section. What is the third section? What is the question here? Write the place value of underlined digit of the following numbers. Here number was given but one of the digit it is underlined. We have to tell about this place value of this underlined digit. Here what is the digit it is underlined? 2. The digit it is 2. First we have to say the place value. 6 it is in which place? Ones place. Next 5 it is in tens place. Just here I am writing 6 it is in ones place, 5 it is in tens place, 2 it is in hundred, 4 it is in thousands, 3 it is in 10,000s place. Now 2 it is in which place? Hundreds place. That means 2 into 100 is equal to 200. This is the place value of the digit 2, which is underlined. Here which is underlined digit 2. 2 it is in which place? Hundreds place. So 2 into 100 is equal to 200. Now next one. First you have to write the place values of your number. 5 it is in ones, 0 it is in tens, 9 it is in hundreds, 5 it is in thousands, 4 it is in 10,000, 2 it is in lakhs. Here we have to find out the place value of the digit 5. 5 it is in which place? Thousands place. So here 5 into 1000 it is equal to 5,000. The place value of the digit it is a 5,000. Okay children, these all the sums whatever I am explaining here you have to note down in your book and you have to practice your own. Okay children, now the next section, that is fourth section, it is write the following numbers in a place value chart. Here numbers was given, you have to adjust in the place value chart. Already here I was drawn that place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Now first one you have to adjust in this place value chart. In ones place which digit is there first? 2. Next in the tens place it is 5. Next in hundreds place it is 2. Next in the thousands place it is 5. Next in the 10,000s place it is 3. Here till it is only 10,000. Now we have to keep the blank here in the lakhs place. Now the next one is B1. Now ones place which digit is there? 5. Next in the tens place it is 7. In hundreds place 9. Thousands place 3. 10,000s place it is 6. And in the lakhs place it is 8. Okay. Now we have to, already we are adjusted these numbers in the place value chart. Till here now 8,63,975 and the another one is 35,252. These two numbers we adjusted like this in the place value chart. Now the next section. What is the next section? It is fifth section. Write the number names. Now we have to write the number names. Write the number names from the given place value chart. Already here place value chart it is given, numbers also is given. Now you have to write the number name. Already I explained how to write the number names in the previous video. Now we have to see another time. Now can you see here what is the number? How many thousands are there total? 23,000. How many hundreds? 500. How many tens? 7 tens, that means 70. And how many ones are there? 2 ones. Now first we have to write the first one, A1 number name, 23,572. Now write the number name, that means spelling. 23,572. And the next one, B1. What is the number here? Lakhs also is there. How many lakhs? 1 lakh. How many thousands total? 29,000. 300, 6, 10, 60. Here ones place nothing it is there. So it is a 60. Now write the B1 number name. One lakh. 29,000 360. Like this you have to write the number names. If the place value is given, okay, already we are written like this. If the place value it is not given, first you have to draw the place value chart. Next you have to write the number names. Already this fifth section we completed on the blackboard. Now can see sixth section also same as it is like this. Write the number names for each of the following. Like this you have to adjust the numbers in the place value chart. Next you have to write the number names your own in your notebook. Now next section, seventh section, it is write the numeral for each of the following. Already here number name was given. You have to write the number. 32,869. What is the number? 32,869. Next one. 5,49,795. How many lakhs? 5,49,795. These are the numerals for these number name. Now the next section is write the following in expanded form. Here number was given. You have to write in expanded form. Now can see here 6 is in which place? 1's place. That means 6 into 1. Next 5 it is in which place? 10's place. 5 into 10. Next 2 it is in hundreds place. Next 4 it is in thousands place. Next 3 it is in which place? 10,000s place. Now can see here 6 ones are 6, 5 tens are 50, 2 into 100, 200, 4 into 1000, 4,000. And 3 into 10,000, it is 30,000. Now we completed the expanded form. Now you have to write in order. How many thousands? 30,000 plus 4,000. Total 34,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 6. This is the expanded form. Children, I explained now first sum, no? This second sum you have to complete in your own. Okay? Next section. Write the numeral for each of these. Here number it is given in the expanded form. You have to write in short form. How many thousands? 20,000 plus 7,000. Total how many thousands? 27,000. How many hundreds? 191. 27,191. And the next number is, here now can see 7 lakh. How many digits are there? 6 digits. So it is 7 lakh and 40,000 plus 5,000. Total 45,000. Next 553. Okay children, did you understand these sums? Next I have to explain about the spike abacus. Next, now I am going to explain about the abacus. What is a abacus? An abacus is a simple tool to represent the numerals. An abacus is a simple tool to represent the numerals, and it may have 1, 2, 3 spikes pointing up. Now here if you can see like this, it is a abacus tool. In this here it is these are the spikes. These are the spikes, and these round balls like is there, no? These we have to call it as a beads. What are these? These are the beads, and these lines are spikes. Spikes are pointing to the up. Next, the number of beads on a spike represent the digit of that place. And these beads we have to represent the place values of the numbers. Now here these are the beads I said no. Now in ones place, here these are the place values. Ones, first line it is ones, next it is tens, next it is hundreds, next line it is thousand, and the next line it is 10,000. After that it is a lakhs. Now in ones place how many beads are there? 3 beads. Now we have to count it as a 3. 1, 2, 3. Here I am writing the 3. Next we have to write the number always right to left. Next in the tens place how many beads are there? 2 beads. Next in hundreds place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads. Next in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4. Next in the 10,000s place 1 bead. So total what is the number? 14,723. These number we have to represent on the abacus like these beads. We have to draw the beads. Now here in exercise 1.1 we have 10th section. What is the 10th section? Draw a spike abacus on your notebook and represent the following on them. We have to draw the abacus tool, then we have to represent these numbers. First you have to draw the abacus tool. Spikes, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. First one it is ones, next tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Now in ones place which digit is there? 6. So you have to draw the 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next in tens place it is 5. So draw the 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next in hundreds place it is 2. So you should draw only 2 beads. Next in thousands place it is 4. So you have to draw the 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 10,000s place it is 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this we have to draw the beads in your notebook. Here one more sum also it is there. B1 it is 9,26,078. This you have to draw in your notebook by your own. Okay. Already you saw here one no. Next one you have to draw. Only here it is increasing one more place value that it is lakhs. As it is here numbers are there, you have to draw the beads. It is very easy. You have to do your own. Okay, next section. It is 11th section. Now next section it is 11th section. Write the numeral represent on the abacus. Here we have picture is there, abacus picture. Just you have to count the beads and you have to write the number. In ones place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write it 4 in down. Next in tens place 1, 2, 3. Next in hundreds place how many beads are there? 2 beads. In thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next it is in 10,000s place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number it is 87,234. One more it is there, this also you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next in tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next in hundreds place we have no beads. So here you have to write 0. Next in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 10,000s place it is only 1. Next in lakhs place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My dear children, here the greatest digits it is only till we can write only 9 digits. After that we can't able to draw on abacus tool. Only till we can draw at 9 digits. Okay, understood everybody? Next section, 12th section. Place value of the digits of the numeral are all jumbled up in their expanded form. Write the number for each of the following. Here also it is given in the expanded form. You have to write in the short form. but it is given in the jumbled, like not given it is in proper order, it is given in the jumbled order. You have to write at normal numbers. Now how many thousands are there? 40,000. Next 3,000. Total how many thousands? 43,000. And how many hundreds? Only 100. How many tens? 2 tens. 125. Okay. Next one. Here it is their first number, it is 8 lakh. 8 lakh. How many thousands? 70,000. And here 9,000. Total 79,610 and 5. 8,79,650. This is the exercise 1.1. Okay children, in this class we are completed exercise 1.1. You have to write all the sums in your notebook and practice in your home.